Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. Today we are going to solve another interesting Leetcode coding problem, 3450 maximum students on a single bench. So we'll go through this problem, understand this problem better with some examples, and we'll also understand the solution, how to solve this coding problem. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel now. Your subscription is really valuable and important for this channel. It helps and supports this channel. So let's start. You are given 2D integer array of students, data students, where students of I is student ID and bench ID represents that student ID sitting on the bench ID. Okay. Return the maximum number of unique students sitting on any single bench. If no students are present, return 0. Note a student can appear multiple times on same bench in the input, but they should be counted only once per bench. Okay, so they are going to give us array. It will have two values, right? Student ID and bench ID. So let's take a look at this example, right? So this is the student ID and bench ID. So this is a bench ID 2, right? Bench ID 2, bench ID. So for bench ID 2, how many students are there? 1 and 2 students are there, right? Okay, so there are total 2 students which are sitting on bench ID 2. Okay, what about the bench ID 3? The bench ID 3 has 1, 2 and 3 students, right? 1, 2 and 3 students. So total 3 students are there, correct? So maximum number of students is 3, correct? So that's what we want to find out, right? So return maximum number of unique students sitting on a single bench. So in this case, all the students are unique. So they have given us some other examples. So let's take a look at some other examples. So in this case, you will see that, so let me pick a color here. So you will see in this case that the bench ID is 1 and student ID is 1 and 2. So there are 2 students here and here also 1. So 3 students total, right, who are sitting on bench 1. Okay. How many are sitting on bench 2? There are 2 people, students sitting on bench 2, right? 4 and 5. So again 3 is the answer here, right? Maximum number of students is 3. So that's what we want to find out. Now this is another interesting case where you have same student sitting on that bench again basically, right? So bench ID 1, student ID is also 1. So how many total students are sitting on the bench 1? Only one student. You will count it only unique students, right? Unique. So one student, right? So now you are getting idea what they are asking, I hope, with these examples, right? So how will we make sure that unique students? So now what we can do to find out that unique thing is we can create one map actually, right? Map. So what will the map contain? So I'll just draw one map here for you. So the map will contain the bench ID is the key, right? The bench ID is going to be the key. So what is the bench ID here? So the bench ID is 1, right? Bench ID is 1. So bench ID 1 is the key, and set, we will create a set, right? And we will add the students into the set. So what are the students here? 1, uh, 2 and 3, right? So you add set students into the set. Okay, so I added students into the set. This is my map, right? This is the bench ID is the key, right? Okay, the other bench ID is 2. What are the students sitting on that bench? 4 and 5, right? 4 and 5. Okay, so once we create this map, we can easily answer the question now, right? We can just go through this map and we can find out the size of the um, set, right? Size of the set. So the size will tell me how many students are unique students are sitting on that bench, correct? So here size is 3 and here size is 2. Whatever is the maximum size, we will just capture that maximum size, right? So maximum size is the 3. So that should solve this problem, correct? And we can find out maximum number of unique students sitting on any bench, correct? So you understood this approach, right? We'll create one map. So I'll directly go to the Java code where I'll show you the solution. The solution is very simple here. So this is what we are implementing, max students on a bench method. It is we are given a students array which is a 2D array, right? We'll create a hash map, right? as we discuss hash map, the key will be the bench id. So integer, this is the key which is bench id, and the set of integer is the student ids, right? Set of student ids. We will go through input, we will read student ID and bench ID from the given input, and we will add that into the map, right? Compute if absent. So what it does is, if the bench ID is not there, it will create a brand new hash set, right? That's what that compute if absent does, okay? So after that you will add the student ID, correct? So you have the bench ID and all the set of student IDs. Okay, so you created a map. After that you will create one variable answer here, and you will iterate through the map dot values, right? You are iterating through values only. So map dot values will give you set, right? Set, and you will check the set size, right? Set size, and you will keep track of the maximum, correct? Math dot max between answer and set size, and that one will give you the answer, correct? The answer. So in this case your answer is 3, because you get maximum size set is here, correct? So that's how you can solve this problem. So let's quickly analyze this algorithmic time and space complexity for you guys. So for loop, here for loop, it means that order of n, correct? Order of n. So order of n is your time complexity here, right? Order of n. It's very difficult to write here. Okay, so theta of n, right? So order of n is your time complexity. How about the space complexity? The space complexity is again order of n, because we have used the external data structure map here to hold the data. So it means that it's again order of n on the space complexity. Okay, so we have analyzed the algorithmic time and space complexity for this code. So I hope these solutions, these examples and this solution help you understand this problem in an easier way. And if you like this solution, then please subscribe to our channel now. Click on the bell notification icon button so you won't miss any interesting videos like this from this channel. On this channel, we create content and videos to help others learn more computer science, programming, data structures, and algorithmic concepts. And we have come up with more than 600 different solved coding problems taken from previously asked questions by big companies such as Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, Facebook, Meta, and a lot of big companies. And we come up with important playlists for you. The important playlist you should check from this channel right away includes graphs, matrices, binary trees, problems solved by using binary search, dynamic programming, recursion, memoization, how to use and apply BFS and DFS on graphs, matrices, and trees. We also have created a lot of important data structures related playlists that includes all important data structures that typically gets asked in interviews, such as stacks, queues, priority queues, min heap, max heap, arrays, array list, linked list, tree set, hash map, tree map. All these important things are covered here on this channel for you. So don't forget to take a look into the playlist. You will definitely like those problems, and they will also help you a lot in learning new concepts as well as new programming paradigms. Keep learning, keep coding, and don't forget to share these videos with all your friends so they will also come to know about our channel. They can also watch and learn from these videos. And thanks for watching this video, and have a great day ahead.